Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, February 18th, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. Markets had a choppy session Tuesday, with the S&P 500 barely up and Nasdaq slightly down as geopolitical developments took center stage. US-Iran nuclear talks showed progress in Geneva, pushing oil lower, while Ukraine peace negotiations remain tense. On the Fed front, policymakers signaled rates will stay steady for some time, with markets now pricing in roughly 59 basis points of cuts by year-end. Software stocks continued selling off amid AI disruption fears, while Nvidia announced a major multi-year chip deal with Meta after the close. Let's spotlight today's top movers. Masimo surged an impressive 34.3% on reports that Danaher is nearing a $10 billion acquisition at $180 per share, a massive premium over Friday's close. AeroVironment rallied 7.1% after JP Morgan initiated coverage with a buy rating, citing strong military drone demand. Lumentum jumped 6.7%, leading AI and semiconductor names as data center build-out drives optical networking demand. Cadence Design Systems rose 4% after hours on a clean beat and raise, with fiscal year 2026 guidance above consensus. Finally, Upstart climbed 4.2% following Compass Point's upgrade to buy, highlighting management's ambitious outlook through 2028. Today's chart reveals a critical shift in market leadership. The Magnificent Seven are no longer moving in lockstep. Alphabet and Apple have each added over $90 billion in market cap this year, while Microsoft has shed $613 billion and Amazon nearly $200 billion. Tuesday's session perfectly illustrated this divergence. The S&P 500 remained flat, but beneath the surface, massive rotations played out between AI winners and software losers. For investors, this means stock picking is back. Index-level stability is masking dramatic sector realignments that will define positioning ahead. Here's what's ahead this week. Wednesday brings Fed meeting minutes. Markets will watch for any cracks in the committee's unity on holding rates and whether tariffs were even discussed. Geneva peace talks also resume the same day. Any breakthrough or breakdown will immediately move energy prices and European markets. The Treasury auctions $16 billion in 20-year bonds. Wednesday, testing investor appetite for long-duration debt. Thursday, Walmart reports earnings. At all-time highs and nearly 3 times more expensive than a decade ago, this is your real-time read on the American consumer. Thanks for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.